Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in Alight Motion. Keyframes are essential tools that allow you to animate various properties of your layers over time. Think of them as markers on your timeline, indicating where a property, like position or scale, should be at a specific moment. By setting at least 2 keyframes, you can create smooth, dynamic movements and transformations for your visual elements. To add your first keyframe, simply select the layer you wish to animate in your timeline. Then, tap the small diamond icon, usually found near the layer properties, to set your initial keyframe. This marks the starting point of your animation. Next, move your playhead to a different time on the timeline, adjust a property like position or scale, and another keyframe will automatically be created. Once you have 2 or more keyframes, you can fine-tune the animation. Between any 2 keyframes, you can adjust the interpolation curve to control the speed and flow of the animation. Alight Motion offers several curve types, such as ease in or ease out, allowing you to create smooth accelerations or decelerations. Experiment with these curves to achieve the exact motion you envision for your elements. For more complex animations, you can copy and paste keyframes to reuse specific movements across different layers or times. This saves a lot of effort and ensures consistency. Additionally, using many keyframes allows for intricate, multi-stage animations, giving you precise control over every subtle change. You can also group layers together to apply a single set of keyframe animations to multiple elements at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.